Today, Multnomah County Health leaders are making a last-minute plea ahead of Labor Day, asking you not to socialize with those outside of your household this weekend, especially as kids get ready to head back to school.
Fox 12's Drew Marine spoke with the county about what they're doing and what parents can do to make sure that kids have a safe return to school. Drew?
Yeah, they say parents who are eligible should get vaccinated because you're truly the best defense kids have. But they say this doesn't just apply to families. They say we all have a responsibility to limit our social interactions and make smart choices over the next few weeks because of the impacts that our actions can have on schools.
The risk of COVID in schools is a reflection of the amount of COVID in the community.
Which is why Multnomah County is sounding the alarm, asking people ahead of this holiday weekend to socialize responsibly, if at all.
Multnomah County recommends not gathering with people outside of your household for Labor Day this year. Postponing your event or going virtual is ideal. Otherwise, having a small group outdoors and spread out is the next best thing. If you must be indoors, please wear a mask and open windows.
But as kids head back to school Wednesday and over the next week, they say this responsibility goes beyond Labor Day. Jessica Guernsey, the public health director for Multnomah County, says there are several steps parents can take to protect their kids this school year.
Really asking folks to make sure that everyone in a household that is eligible for a vaccination gets one, limiting household social activities outside of school. Obviously, outdoor play is much less risky. Making sure your kids have masks and that they know how to wear them.
However, should cases of COVID-19 pop up in schools, Guernsey says she's confident in the partnership they have with the Multnomah County Education Service District, which is responsible for contact tracing and case investigation. Jamie Smith is the school health services coordinator for MESD and says when contact tracing, they'll do their best to only quarantine kids where necessary.
We will do our best to minimize the number of students that are quarantined by looking at seating charts, talking to school staff, and trying to determine truly those that are within close contact.
He says MESD has a specific team to be a point of contact between schools, family, and the public health department.
In collaboration with public health, county public health, we provide the appropriate timelines for that individual. And then if there was a potential exposure to other individuals on site, then we provide the appropriate timelines and communications for those individuals as well. And then for full transparency, if there is a potential exposure, there is a community notification that is sent to all the individuals that are associated with that school.
They say if there is a positive case in the classroom, the Oregon Department of Education says if the school can attest that everyone was wearing a mask and staying 3 feet apart, that classroom may not have to quarantine. But this only applies to students in a classroom setting, not at lunchtime. Live in Southeast Portland, Drew Marine, Fox 12 Oregon.